That rain, bruh. I'm gonna close the door so it doesn't get in the house. Literally, I wasn't even in it and I got a bit of rain on me. So I decided to make a video. Just look at that rain, bruh. It rained yesterday and the day before that. It's been raining forever. I don't think it'll ever stop raining in June. No. Well, this is the worst rain we've ever gotten. I'll open the door again, yeah. That rain, bruh. I mean, come on. When I first looked out here when I was having my dinner, let's just say it wasn't actually like this. It was actually put in little drips. But all of a sudden, it turned into this. Fine, I'll open the door for my suffering again. Okay, I'm closing it again. I don't want it to get in the house. I've already got in the house enough. And yeah, bad rain day. Look at the floor, it's drenched. That side is the most drenched. It's literally got drenched. Okay, I just wanted to tell you about bad rain day. Okay. Bye. Just wanted to tell you about the bad rain day. And before I end this off, I'm just going to open the door again. Bad rain day, peace.